equal to annual fixed charges plus running charges. That is 80 into 10 raised to 5 plus 88 into 10 raised to 5, and that is equal to rupees 168 into 10 raised to 5. Now we can find the cost per unit generated. So cost per unit generated is equal to, this is cost, then unit generated is 220 into 10 raised to 6, and that is equal to rupees 0.0764, or we can write 7.64 paise. So this is the cost per unit generated. So in